Hello everyone, this is Deepam Gupta and I am representing my team Gully Coders. So let me tell you the problem statement. In today's scenario, especially in this COVID scenario, there are lots of fake news coming in WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and people easily believe on that because they are posted in such a way that they catch up the user's mind, the viewer's mind, that and relates to it. So users easily believe on that. So in order to check the authenticity of these videos, images, or fake news, any kind, uh, people either do not go to any kind of resource, and they just believe in it, or either they do not get any type of resource like this, they are not available authentic resource. So in order to solve this problem, we have created an app, fake to nahi. So our app does is, a user who got a fake news and he thinks that this news is fake, he will just click a screenshot or capture a video, or the video which he got, and he will just post it as a new post, and all the users who are signed in with our app will get a notification, and will get that app, will get that post. And if any of the users know a link to the resource of which shows the authenticity, or which proves either the post which the first user have posted is fake or not, he will just post the link, and the one which posted the fake news will get a resource. So I'll just show you the demo. We'll click on our app, fake to nahi, it will just open, and we'll it's a step of sign up. Here I have already signed up. I'll put my password and email. I'll sign in, and these are all the posts which are of fake news, and it might be fake, suspicious news which all many users have posted who are signed in. So for now we have just added dummy data in it, but they are dynamically generated in from the database. So we have added dummy pictures only. So what we will do for creating an suppose you are Ram and you want to check the authenticity of a picture which you got from WhatsApp. You will click on new post, add the title. Suppose that Telegram is an Indian app. Telegram is an Indian app, and in description you will get you will just write anything. I'll just add lorem ipsum, and if I got this image from WhatsApp, is it true, or any kind of I'll just write dummy data either. Okay, now I'll pick an image or a video of that. So for now purpose, I'll just click on a sample picture. It can be of, it is just of the news which you want to check. So the picture has been picked, and I'll just click on post. Ram, just click on post. So his data, he has created a new post, and that post will be posted to each and every user which has signed in through our app, and they will get at the first number. So if suppose you are Shyam, and you know that no, this news is fake, you will just click on the picture or click on the post, and here is a you can read the description, and here you can provide a link to the resource. Here you can provide the link of suppose dainikbhaskar.com. So it can be of any resource, but and you can post it. Now this link is available in the post view of that post, and that user which posted this fake news can see the resources. So in this way it is very easy for a user to check the authenticity of a particular news or video or image. He will just post it, and he will get the resources, links from the society, that whether it is fake or not, and he can check on his own easily. So in this way our app helps to create a fake news free society, and this can help a lot for our nation, for our country, and help people get the right information at the right point, at the right time. Thanks a lot.